So hello there guys, it's Sam again with another video unboxing review. Today we are going to make a little unboxing on the Nitecore HA23. This is a Headlamp series flashlight, one of the latest releases from Nitecore. This one uses a Cree XP G253 LED ultra compact headlamp. It uses AA batteries, two AA batteries, and we have an output 250 lumens. As you can see, we can get an intensity of 800 CD. The max distance that can light is 56 meters. We have an waterproof IP67 rating. Impact resistance is 1 meter, and a QR code over here. So that's for the box. Let's open the package. Warranty card from Nitecore. Instruction manual. Here you can see the actual modes. We have a high mode, 250 lumens, middle 65 lumens, low 2 lumens, and we have an extra beacon mode with 250 lumens. So let's check what other we have. So as you can see over here, we have a 70 degrees tilt-level bracket. Also it uses in the front, as you can see, a bead surface optical lens, so we have a better uniform and soft light. And we also have a 150 degrees illumination angle. It can light up to 56 meters, so it's quite a lot for a headlamp. We have an elastic head strap with a Nitecore logo on it. It is fully adjustable, so as you can see over here on the top and over here on the sides. On the inside we can see we have a Nitecore logo with the side also. This is a plastic body. On the side we have HA23 the model, a press switch, and a little clip that locks the door. So let's put in the battery and see how it works. So over here, as you can see, when you power it off and on, it goes straight to low mode. Simply press the medium, and here we have the high. So as you can see, it is kind of clear body. You can see the light over here on the top and on the bottom. And the last mode is the beacon. So let's see the actual dimensions of this one. The width is 71.2 millimeters. It's 36 millimeters tall. The actual sticks out 30.5 millimeters. All the way to the back of your head it will be 40, yeah, almost 40 millimeters. Let's also weight and see how much this one weighs with the strap, of course. So as you can see, if it stays there, yeah, it only weighs 124-25. grams. So we'll put it to the test and see how it works, also in low light, and see the actual beam. Yeah, also I forgot to mention the actual clicks. So we have a rotation angle 1, 2, 3, 4. It really clicks in place and it's really stable. The last one is kind of not that stable. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the last one, it's not actual position, I guess. But it is 70 degrees angle, as you can see. This is your forehead, for example, and you can see how the light goes all the way down.